Sembut Menteri Rangba bakami yakatrat kampo yeng polis uba Prestone tensong. Ula ong bakajing penet jingmut jong Sorkar kalong ban penet yaka shongsuk shongsain. Bat ban iaid yaka public hearing jong Shree Cement Limited banya shkman. Hapadeng kajing persya bat kajing penden kam tia gas da kipulit. Ula ong baka Sorkar kalabatha yaka district administration bat kipulit ban shimi kasenjam ban pentikna ban penne yaka shongsuk shongsain. Habakren halor kajing persya yaka project utan song ula ong kajing mujung kipat ba kalong kabaya pher. Namar dan kiba persya bat dan ru kiba kwa baka project kan ya shakman. Namar kajing mentoy hakaliang kayo kakan. Ulapan pauru bagi kendon kibaya day bat kamaryang kide ban bot renti kat kum kaan bat om day tangkarai jong ka Sorkar jela. Haba jupap halor kajing keno bagi pulit kila pendan kambuar palat pot ba tensong ula ong ba un pet benya yaka kai pat jing kipulit shwa ban a jing kan tho shu. Ula ong kajing sngu kya jonga kalong halor ka shongsuk shongsan. Nila da batha yaka district administration ban penne yaka shongsuk shongsan ha kanu rukam.
Yeah, if you read only from one page, it is like that. If you go from the second page, massive demand also that it should be there. Not only demand to cancel, but a massive demand also to go ahead. You understand my point? So we see, because see, hearing is very important. Ultimately, through hearing only you can decide things. Because as I said to you, there are people sometimes, they talk about environmental issue. We are equally concerned about this issue. At the same time, environmental issues is being taken care of not by the subject of state government, by the central government. The act is very strong. The act is very clear. We cannot bend even a single clause on that matter. Okay, so therefore, if you talk about the environmental issues, everything is there, black and white, it has to be complied. And then next, you have to also consider one issue which is very, very important, and that is the economic issue. That also is there, where, you know, that's what I'm saying. People, they said, we need more cement companies to be there in East Giant Hills, because they have seen it. A number of cement factories located over there. We have seen it. Even the village committee and all. They told me few days back. We really get maximum benefit out of this. The company and the Dorbar Shnong and everybody, they worked so well, and then they even contributed a lot of developmental programs conducted or done by the village authority. So therefore, my only concern is about law and order, but we have already instructed the district administration to be more proactive on this, make sure that the law and order is maintained at any cost.